Or maybe this is on the way. Maybe you prefer this to the marshmallow.
Okay.
This is called Guobing, which is the giant Chinese pancake 3 times the size of your face. Did you eat this before? Don't lie if you didn't have it.
No, I don't think I'm familiar with it. I don't think I've ever seen it before.
This is a
pancake?
Well, it's it's huge. It's hard to call it a pancake. It kind of reminds me of like crepes stacked together. If you've ever seen a crepe cake before.
Yeah.
But there's a fermentation aspect to it. So it's completely something unique that I never saw before. And when South China Morning Post hits me with it, I couldn't ignore it. I had to know more.
Were you hungry at that time?
Absolutely hungry. Well, you heard me before we even started shooting. I was thinking about lunch.
Yeah.
One of these guobing can stretch up to 38 centimeters in diameter and weigh more than 2.5 kilos. This is a food from northern China, and the key here is it is made with fermented dough, and this snack is more than 100 years old, and because of that fermentation aspect, it can last for a long time. In hot weather, it remains fresh for up to 3 days. It won't go bad. If it's cold weather, you can store it for a month and it won't go bad. So I don't know. I mean, that's some ancient technology right there.
Yeah. You don't need a refrigerator.
You see how like the package, the exterior sort of seals up the thin layer pancake insides?
Yeah. It's a lot of Rubik's Cubes here in this search. I don't know why.
Oh, it is there's a company that makes Rubik's Cubes, I guess, by the name. Wait a second, Will. You spelled it wrong. You said Guobing. Oh, yeah.
Isn't that what it's called?
You did, yeah. Now we have a different looking pancake with
This one's
fillings.
A lot thinner.
Not feelings.
Feeling.
There, that one on the right, the giant one. Yeah, that's the one. Look at the layers and stuff, man. You can click the video. It's a really cool video. A crispy Chinese pancake, a chef's plate, and you can see how they make it. Look at that. It looks delicious. I need some of this right now.
Yeah, it does look pretty good.
The dough is flattened into thin sheets. The sheets are then brushed with oil and then folded and stacked on top of each other to form the guobing's signature layers. Then the whole thing is wrapped inside a larger sheet of dough like a gift bag and flattened into a large pancake. What do you say? Would you give it a try or no, Will?
Yeah, I'll give it a
you'll
shot.
give it a try. Perfect.